This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, June 13th. I'm James Spann. Weather looks pretty good here for a while. Let's check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, coming from Chehaw State Park. What a lovely place to be on any day, especially in the summer because it's cooler up there. That's from Chehaw State Park. Elevation at the summit there, 2,407 feet above mean sea level. We're looking right down the spine of the Talladega Mountains on a sunny mid-June day. Pretty much the same sky coming from Fayette over in West Alabama. And up north, the Tennessee River in Decatur on a sunny day. Drier air invading Alabama. Dew points have dropped to about 50 in the shoals. Birmingham's dew point, as I do this, is sitting at 59, so we're dry. We note a little MCV-type setup over the Lake Texoma area on the Texas-Oklahoma border. That will not be affecting us, and really, our weather's going to be calm for a while. As expected, we're warmer today, mostly upper 80s on the board. See a lot of 88s up there at 2 o'clock. Well, we'll probably crack 90 tomorrow. We'll say 91 or 92, but again, the humidity will be fairly low. Severe weather possibilities well to the north and west tonight. Tomorrow, slight risk way up north, and on day 3, which is Friday, no formal risks, just a 5% circle out across the nation's breadbasket. Rain for the next 5 days, not very much. This is valid through Monday morning at 7 o'clock, basically showing nothing for most of Alabama. And for now, the tropics are quiet. We do note a little wave has come off the coast of Africa, very low latitude wave, and many of the models do develop a tropical storm in the southwestern Gulf in about a week, and we'll tackle that now. In fact, let's go ahead and look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. Light flow aloft here, and down below that should be a mostly sunny day and a hot day. The NAM is ramped up to 93, but the dew points are sitting around 60, so humidity won't be that bad. And I don't think you'll see any showers. If anything pops up, won't be many. Same thing on Friday. The low-level flow begins to veer into the east, a wedge-type setup, if you will. Highs drop back into the upper 80s, and Saturday as we start the weekend, sunny, and the GFS is showing 86 with that backdoor-type wedge thing. So temperatures drop about 5 degrees over the weekend with mid-80s. Same thing on Sunday. Looks good for most of Alabama. Lots of sun with mid-80s likely. Monday of next week, not a lot of change. The core of the westerlies remain way up north. A little upper feature is seen there on the Louisiana coast, and down below that, the weather is somewhat disturbed in that region. Water's pretty warm down there. We always have to watch that. But again, that's a system that probably will not become a tropical storm. But farther south, maybe. Here's Tuesday of next week. Again, we're dry in a week from today. No change. But yeah, look down there in the Bay of Campeche. There's your tropical system. And the GFS has been very persistent with this. We'll keep following that. This is Thursday the 21st, moving northwest. Friday the 22nd. Approaching the southern tip of Texas, and on Saturday, June 23rd, it's awfully close to Brownsville, Texas. So those of you on the Texas coast, be aware of that. But look, this is 10 days in advance. Anything could happen with this. We don't know. We're just looking for trends, and most of the runs have taken it in the direction of either Mexico or Texas. And on the 24th, it's inland over South Texas. That could be a big rain producer if by chance that solution is correct. But I think the idea of a tropical system happening, it's pretty firm. We'll check the end of the forecast, June 29th. Again, very good evidence of troughing over the east. We got the 588 ridge to the south, and the model tries to show a cold front trying to slice in here with maybe some enhanced chance of showers and storms. But, of course, this is all out there in the land of voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. The first thing you've got to understand, you cannot rely on an outdoor siren. You cannot hear those inside a home, a building, a church. It won't work. You've got to get something inside your house. That's a weather radio or maybe a smartphone app. We work with a company that's developed a wonderful weather radio app for Android phones and iPhones. It knows where you are, and if you're in a tornado warning polygon, you get the warning. And if you're not, you don't. It's an effective device, and it's a great way to be sure you get the warning.